please ensure that you have read and understood all instructions on the screen before undertaking this job. Start by parking the vehicle on flat, level ground with the handbrake applied. Turn the vehicle off and ensure both front and rear wheels are suitably chocked and the vehicle is safely secured before proceeding. Today we're going to be installing the Superior Engineering stainless steel fuel tank bash guard. We'll start by moving to the factory fuel tank and removing the 4 bolts holding in the factory fuel tank guard. Then lifting the Superior Engineering stainless steel fuel tank guard up into place and replace these factory bolts into the exact position they were removed from in step 2. Ensuring all bolts are tightened to spec on the screen and using 262 Loctite on all threads. Once these bolts are tightened to spec, your vehicle's ready to hit the road with your new Superior Engineering stainless steel bash guard.